Hi, I'm your host Rieley, and today I have
Mia.
So how is your senior year going so far?
My senior year is actually going pretty good. I've done a bunch of things that I've wanted to do already, and I'm really excited for the rest of the year.
That's good. What is one piece of advice you would give to upcoming freshmen?
I would tell them that be yourself. Don't try to make yourself fit in with like the quote unquote popular groups or whatever you want to call it. Be yourself, find your own friends, find out who you are, and continue with you. Don't follow in other people's footsteps.
What is your biggest accomplishment in high school and why?
My biggest accomplishment is joining competition back when I was the competition team for cheer back when I was a sophomore. We won like almost every competition we had, so that was probably my biggest accomplishment.
What is your biggest struggle in high school?
Probably trying to stay organized and staying on top of like my classes and the homework. I definitely struggle with that.
I definitely feel you there. Homework can be a lot. What is the most important thing you've learned and why?
I think the most important thing I've learned is that not everything is gonna stick. So if something is like drifting apart or from whatever, then let it go. Don't try to keep it if it's gonna go.
Do you have any recommended classes for upcoming freshmen?
I do. I did take art. I do like art. I think art is a very calm class. I would definitely recommend that if you're very calm. But if you're not really calm, I honestly would just do sports. Do extra like curricular activities like sports and whatever. Those are always fun. So.
I'm in your book, so I definitely get the art part of that.
Yep.
What is one thing you shouldn't miss out on in high school and why?
Go to every event. Who cares? Go to prom. Go to semi. Go to the senior citizen dance when you're a senior. Go to everything because you're never gonna experience it ever again. You're never gonna get the feeling waking up in the morning like, oh my god, it's prom, or like, oh my gosh, I have this event or whatever. So just go to the events, be excited, just be positive, and yeah, I say just go to them. Who cares what everybody thinks? Just go, have fun.
Be yourself.
Yes.
Do the 4 years go by fast in your opinion now that you're a senior?
I definitely think that the first 2 years are definitely a little, like, they did feel quick, but they also did feel slow. Junior year felt really slow to me, but this year is going by really fast, it feels like. But overall, kind of both, kind of fast, kind of slow.
Is there anything else advice-wise you would give to upcoming freshmen?
I just gotta say, just be yourself. Don't let other people's words affect how you think of yourself. Don't let that affect your confidence. Be confident, but don't be like, oh, I can't say that. Don't act like you're it, like you're that person. Just be confident enough to know that you are your own person and that you can succeed, and yeah.
Thanks for watching this episode of Tiger Talk, and stay tuned to see who I'll have next.